My name is Oksana. I was evacuated from Ukrainian city of Odessa in May 2022 with my daughter. I am currently living in Fukui Prefecture. I have a master's degree in accounting and auditing from University of Economics. For more than 23 years I have been chief accountant and then a deputy financial director. Therefore, I have deep expertise in building accounting systems with skills ranging from obtaining primary data to effectively presenting key indicators to reporting users. In my experience, there is the analysis of changes in business processes and the legislative framework, including the taxes, and their impact on the cost structure and the possibility of decreasing the profitability and turnover of a product. Among the things I have implemented, one of my notable achievements was the successful completion of an external audit in the logistic company holding. There I lead the accounting department. It was conducted by Creston, one of the top 20 audit companies, and it confirmed high quality reporting to the owners of the holding. I managed to keep the team and the integrity of reporting and all accounting processes when the entire team was mobilized to optimize and preserve the assets of an agricultural complex. I lead Department of Employees and flexibly change all processes to ensure their protection. I have an internal audit certificate, financial controller certificate, and international financial reporting standard certificate from the Institute of Certified Financial Managers. To sum it up, I would like to develop business analytics and become a top-level specialist. Therefore, where I found out about an opportunity to learn Microsoft Power BI, I attended the courses. Together with my previous experience, I will be able to effectively apply my knowledge of economics while working for Japanese companies. I speak in Ukrainian, Russian, English, and I actively learning Japanese.